Hi everyone. This video is about where do people travel, and our goal is to identify and explain the most popular places to visit on holidays. So after this video, you should be able to know exactly where people travel to, and then in the lesson we'll do some work on mapping these places. So tourism hasn't been around that too long. Here's a picture of a traditional holiday back in the Victorian times. Back in these times, the first idea of holidays were being explored and developed by people. And most people got a day off work, normally on a Sunday, and people started to have day trips. It started in the UK around the 1800s, and we have a lot of seaside destinations. Examples include Brighton in the south and Blackpool in the north of England. And people just went to the seaside for a day or two because most of the time they were working and they couldn't afford to have such lavish holidays that we have today. So a lot of people used to just stay at a local seaside resort. Nowadays, people are, particularly in Australia, are going to the Gold Coast or they're going to Victoria, particularly Melbourne. So domestic tourism in Australia is really, really important. Probably because the size of Australia and the different climates around the country allow people to go and visit different destinations. And in some aspects, you can still stay in the country, but because the climate's so different, it's pretty different to what you experience at home. So domestic travel, so that's when we travel within Australia, is still very important today and contributes a lot of money to the economy. However, because of more technology and more Australians and people around the world are choosing to go somewhere different from the country of their residence. So we are seeing more and more Chinese, Vietnamese visiting places like Australia on a holiday. And that's the same for other destinations. When we look at London, when we look at Paris, we're seeing more and more overseas visitors, particularly from Asia. In the future, more and more people from developing countries in Africa will have money to come and visit these places. This is an infographic of the top destinations, top airport routes going to these different destinations around the world. As you can see, Europe is very, very clustered with more flights than any other place in the world, followed by North America, Latin America, Asia, and then the Middle East. You can see just at the bottom there, Australia and Oceania. Flights are very, very, not rare, but they're not as busy as Europe. The world's busiest route between two places is Madrid in Spain and Barcelona also in Spain. That has more journeys than any other airport journey in the world. So this table shows where people visit countries the most. At the top is France, 82.6 million annual visitors. Annual means each year. The United States gets 77.5 million, Spain 75.6 million, China 59.3 million, Italy 52.4 million, Turkey 39.5 million, the UK 35.8 million, and Germany at 35.6 million. So as you can see, these top destinations that people go. There are lots of different reasons why people choose to go to these places. One being the number of tourist attractions, the history that they have, also the actual locations. They're very easy to get to. Why? Because they have lots of airports, lots of train stations, ports, and so on. So there's a lot of reasons why these countries are very, very popular for tourism. Okay, hopefully you got a lot of information out of this video, and what we're going to do now in class is to start to put these into a table and map these holiday destinations. Okay, thanks for listening. Make sure to like the video and to subscribe. Okay, thanks.